Okay, let's pick up the pace. Train is due in Saint Denis in an hour.
We're robbing a train in the middle of a city?
No, it's going to stop there, take on mail and water.
So are you getting it or not?
Got it.
All right, let's get this done. Mount up, Arthur. So listen, Abigail just told me, the money, it's hidden in the caves at Beaver Hollow.
What?
Yeah, so much for never hiding it near camp. Dutch was getting even sloppier than we thought.
Are Abigail and Jack ready to leave?
I think so.
Okay. Well, whatever happens with this job today, wherever Dutch and them go next, we're getting you the hell out of here. We're going to get you the money you need. Knowing the three of you got out, well, maybe all of this will still mean something. Tilly and Susan, too. I'll do whatever it takes.
You've always had my back, Arthur.
Well, perhaps not always.
There you are. Got everything?
Yeah?
Then off we go.
Off we go, indeed.
One last time, gentlemen. I got us a river boat. We'll head up to New York or Chicago and get a real boat from there out to the tropics.
So long as it isn't Guarma.
Oh, it'll be paradise, son.
It's all coming together, Dutch. Just like we planned.
Is that okay with you, John? Arthur? Or do you insist on something different?
Sounds about as good now as every time I've heard it before.
Oh, Abigail must be real excited. All packed up like she is. I could just see her in a little grass skirt.
Don't talk to me, you son of a bitch.
Boys, okay now, let's keep it down. We don't want to draw attention to ourselves going through here. Nice and easy through town, fellas.
Ah, Saint Denis. It's good to be back. Happy memories, huh, John?
Will you shut up, Mackie?
That's enough. Quiet, all of you. Not much further now. Whoa.
All right.
Cleet, Sadie, you board halfway along. John, you and Arthur are gonna board at the back. Rest of you, follow Mike and I, and join once they stop the train.
Here she comes.
Should I just sneak on now?
God damn it. Well, everybody mount up.
We still going through with this?
Of course we are.
Come on, Arthur! We gotta get on that train! We can jump on at the side! in the front carriage. We gotta push forwards quickly before we run out of track.
You're dead.
Right, no lie.
I'll make short work of you yet.
Shit!
That's it for you. Enjoy your last moments alive.
How you doing there, Arthur?
I'm okay.
Let's get to the front! Come on! Let's keep moving!
Go to hell.
Look out! There's some on the roof! Too close!
So much for sneaking on here.
You feel like ditching?
Of course not.
Come on! Let's get to the next carriage! Push up on them! Let's go, Arthur!
We're gonna pay for this.
Keep pushing forward!
Where are Dutch and Micah?
I don't see them!
Who knows if this was their goddamn plan all along?
That's more like it! Just like the old days, huh?
This don't feel nothing like the old days.
We're gonna whip you scum good. This is where you die.
Son of a bitch got me.
We will kill you yet.
Train's on fire! Come on! We can't get through the smoke! Come on, let's go!
Jump! Come on!
Hold!
Get going, Bill! Get back on! Jump!
Uncouple that gas before it blows us all up!
I'm on it!
The train's being robbed!
Man the gun, Arthur!
Sure. Well done.
Now get on!
Die! I'll get John! You protect that money! Man the gun, Arthur! I'll go stop the train! Stop the train? Whatever you do, do not stop the train! You secure up ahead, but keep us moving! I'll deal with that patrol when they come through.
On the right. You sure you can handle that gun? 'Cause I can't take over if you won't.
Just shut the hell up!
Hey! We all gotta work together on this. On the left.
Fuck the right!
How the hell did I get settled with you, little lady?
Watch your goddamn mouth!
Look out on the left. Look out on the right.
Look left! More on the right! Will you shoot him, for Christ's sakes?
What the hell you think I'm doing?
Miss it!
I don't take orders from you. Okay, get off the gun. We need to go for the money. Come on. We gotta get to the front. Come on. The money should be in the front carriage.
Okay, quick. Let's blow a hole. Let's go! The money's in their carriage. Ha! Here we go. Okay, stand back.
We got something. We got something! Catch!
Yeah.
Wait, there's more!
Morgan! The driver's dead! This thing ain't stopping! We got to get off!
Okay then, let's go.
Jesus.
We're alive.
Yeah, just about.
Well, let's move.
Where's John?
I tried. I tried.
He didn't make it. That patrol killed him. We had to run.
Come on, let's go. Before another patrol turns up.
Ha! Ha!